Ever wondered why some quizzes feel effortless to complete while others make users leave halfway through? Hey there. Today we'll learn how microcopy can reduce friction, improve user experience, and help increase conversions. Log into your Outgrow dashboard and open the quiz you'd like to edit. Let's start with the welcome screen CTA. Instead of using a generic button like Start, try something more engaging like Get My Personalized Results. This instantly tells users what they'll gain from taking the quiz and makes the experience feel more valuable. Next, let's look at the phone number field. Instead of simply writing phone number, add reassuring microcopy like only if you'd like a callback. This helps reduce hesitation and builds trust with your audience. Now let's improve the email field. Rather than just saying, enter your email, try, where should we send your personalized results? This gives users context and explains why their information is being requested for your lead generation CTA. Instead of a cold button like submit, use something more action-driven like see my results or get my free strategy. This feels more exciting and encourages users to continue. Now let's talk about longer or more sensitive questions. For example, if your quiz asks, how have you validated customer demand for your product? Questions like these can sometimes feel overwhelming because users may think they need to give a long or highly detailed answer. That's where supportive microcopy can help reduce friction. You can add reassuring text like a brief summary works perfectly, or share any methods you've tried so far. This makes the question feel easier, less intimidating, and more approachable for users. Finally, let's improve the experience by encouraging progress text. If your quiz has multiple questions or steps, add friendly messages like, you're halfway there, or just a few quick questions left. These small nudges help users stay engaged and motivated to finish the quiz. Once you're ready, click on Go Live. You can share the link or embed it directly on your website. With Outgrow, you can customize welcome screen messaging, CTA buttons, lead generation forms, progress messaging, and result page copy to create quiz experiences that feel smooth, conversational, and user-friendly. Try it yourself and start building high-converting interactive quizzes. Sign up for Outgrow's 7-day free trial today.